Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am excited to share with you 10 incredibly useful tips for mastering Google Sheets. Whether you are a spreadsheet newbie or a seasoned pro, these tips are sure to level up your skills. By the end of this tutorial, you will be a Google Sheets wizard. So, let's jump right in. The first is overview of Google Sheets. First thing first, what is Google Sheet? Well, it is Google's cloud based spreadsheet software that is a part of the Google Workspace suites. It is similar to Microsoft Excel but lives entirely online, which means you can access your spreadsheets from anywhere with an internet connection. The plus is it is free. Let's jump into the second one, which is creating a new spreadsheet. To get started, let's create a new spreadsheet. Simply head over to Google Drive. This is here. Just click on the plus button, which is this one, and select Google Sheets. You can select a Google Sheet. You can start from scratch, choose from variety of templates. These one, to-do list, annual budget, monthly budget, Google Finance, etc. So today we will start from scratch. Just click on the blank spreadsheet here. So this is your blank spreadsheet. Next is formatting cells. How to format your cell. Now let's talk about formatting cells. There is where you can make your spreadsheet look pretty and organized. You can change the font size, font color, and even add borders and background to your cells like this one. Let me show you. This is my cell. I select this cell. Now I want to apply formatting like bold, italic, color, like this one. Now I want to apply borders like this one. If I want to change my background color, I can select, I can change from here also. So these all about formatting cells. Now let's jump into the next one, which is basic formulas and functions. Next up, let's get into some basic formulas and functions. Formulas are equations that performs calculation on values in your sheet, while functions are predefined formulas. We will cover simply ones like sum, average, and if. Next one is sorting and filtering data. Sorting and filtering data is crucial for making sense or large data sets. We will go over how to sort your data alphabetically or numerically and how to apply filters to show only the data you want to see. Just go back to your sheet. I'm just selecting my worksheet which is already created by me. Now suppose I choose this one. Now first one what I want is I want to sort my data alphabetically or numerically. Suppose this is my alphabetical data. I select my C column. Now click on the data tab. What I want is, if you want to sort your whole sheet, you can select sort data sheet. If you want a sort range, then you can choose sort range. Suppose I want to sort my only range, which is this one. See, it's sorted. Now click and this one, now sorted. So next one is, now I want to apply filter. So just select the row. I have selected first row. We go to the data tab and first one, remove filter, because I have already applied. Now I am applying, click a new filter. Now filter is here. What I want is, I want to see the result, the details of only active things. just clear all the things and select only on active and click on OK. See, these are the details only for active. Now go back and select all and OK. See, all are here now. So this is sorting and filtering data to customize your data. Now next one is collaboration features. One of the best thing about Google Sheet it is collaboration features. You can easily share your spreadsheet with others and work on it together in real time. We will cover how to share, comment and collaboration with your team. You can share it from here. It's loading. Just type the address and done. You can share from here. You can add comment also. You can combine or collaborate with your team also with the help of Google Sheet. This is the plus point, main most of the best thing in Google Sheet. Next one is charts and graphs. Visualization your data is a key to understanding it better. Google Sheet offers a variety of chart types from simple line graphs to complex pie charts. We will talk through how to create and customize chart to make your data shine. I have already created. These are my sheets and I have made the pivot table for the data. Firstly, just make a pivot table once and from chart editor you can change your chart style, color style, setup, anything you can select from here. So these are the charts and graphs. So next one is advanced function. If you are feeling adventurous, you can explore some more advanced functions like VLOOKUP and index or match. These functions can be incredibly powerful for more complex calculation and data manipulation. So at the last, and there you have it, Fox. We have covered the basic of Google Sheets from creating a new spreadsheet to advanced function along with some handy tips and tricks. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.